Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert. Subscribe for regular job updates. So, if you're a fresher or experienced candidate, these job opportunities for you. Coming to the vacancy for freshers in production department, 0 to 6 years, any degree can apply. Having knowledge of online documentation, operation of process equipment like reactors, centrifuges, and dryers, and QC wet lab 1 to 4 years, QC microbiology 1 to 5 years. Qualification B.Sc or M.Sc. EHS department B.Sc, M.Sc, B.Tech can apply. QA, QMS. B.Sc or M.Sc can apply. IPQA, B.Sc or M.Sc can apply. AQA, B.Sc or M.Sc can apply. Dispatches, B.Sc or M.Sc can apply. The date is 5th and 6th September, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. The venue, SMS Pharmaceuticals Limited, Unit 2, Plot number 24, 24B, 37, Miapur. So, Bachupally via Idea Bolaram, Miapur, Hyderabad. So, guys, if you're those who are looking for job opportunities in API manufacturing facility, this is one of the opportunity. You can check it out. Thank you for watching. The dates are 5th and 6th September, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m.